So today we're back in the garage looking over the vehicle. Did get some of the stuff in I did order. So I ordered the Asian timing belt, water pump timing belt, installation card hydraulic tensioner, and 4 bearings. The reason why I decided to go with this one because it is Japanese made in quality. So basically, if you look inside, all the bearings and everything are made in Japan. The timing belt is not. It's made in Thailand, but all the bearings and everything is Japan. That's why I went that route for the timing belt. As well as we did get some Felpro intake gaskets. Not really too sure about the Felpros, but I guess it'll work for now. As well as all the exhaust gaskets. We got that in the mail. As well as we got the hefty engine mounts. Keen. It's a guy in Russia. You can find him on Instagram at Keen Fabs. So you can get them painted however you like. Sorry, they're a little dirty because my hands are greasy. Just going over how they look on the car. As well as so on the engine block, that's sort of how it'll look. As well as I did get his torque or pinch mount. So very good quality, very good price. He shipped them out on like a Tuesday and I had them on a Friday or a Saturday. So they were actually really hefty mounts. Love to see how it's gonna work on my car. Or it looks like they're restriping my parking lot. So the pinch mount will go and replace that mount right there. So as well as I've been doing the installing parts of the timing belt. So we installed the water pump, which I had to go this route because I have the JDM engine and it did not have an oil cooler, as it should be right there. So to install an oil cooler, I have to remove that bung right there and actually install an addition to make a hose actually go into there and get the oil cooler. But the reason why also I did go with the Asian, so it's more like OEM, Japan bearings. So the JDM version didn't have this little tip right here. So I did decide that's why I'm replacing all of this. So in the process, I'm waiting for my oil pump to come in still. We have to go the JDM 12 millimeter pump. So that should hopefully be here within the next week or so. As well as I've just installed some of the bearings from the kit just to sort of get it all ready to go. So that bearing, we also installed the rear timing cover and the sprockets. So got to get those torqued down to spec. That's why I have my Allen there. So in the process, we did remove the bolt that was stuck in the head, which there was a bolt on that one that was stuck. So Buddy and I came out last night because we were bored, so we did remove it. Sorry it wasn't on camera. And the next package I will be receiving is the oil pan, a new pickup, and a few gizmos onto this engine. So we'll be getting it all ready to go. Thank you. Mounted the new Keen Fabs engine mounts to the vehicle. Mounted really seamlessly and easy. You just have to use the old plates from your old mounts. And as well as decided to put on the exhaust manifold. To get that done, so going through it, I did pull the up pipe off. Did find that there was a cloggage in the up pipe. So that could have helped contribute to my engine failure. So I'm gonna go ahead and be ordering an up pipe as well. I'm still waiting for my oil pump to come in so I can finish the timing side of the engine and the oil pan. We'll be installing the oil cooler once I get that also in place. I did go ahead and Also install the King Fabs pinch mount really seamlessly. 2 bolts and it bolts right in and it's good to go. It looks actually to me really good with the gold. So started messing with some of the turbo lines. Did transfer this one from my old engine. So we're going to be playing with that. As for the other side of the turbo, I'll be figuring what I can do to plug the oil return line for this other head, because it was a twin turbo engine and we were going single turbo for it. So been playing with the new turbo that I'm putting on. It's from a 14 WRX. Just trying to get the correct fitment, figure out all the bracketry. Return line from where the turbo will be mounted. So I got to figure out how to get a USDM version on one of these, so I can route the return line the correct way. And it's relatively simple. So this would be the correct way that I would need the return line, versus on the other side it was going like this. So that's why I did it. It's a press fit, so you just remove the bolt right here and you actually just hit it with a hammer side to side, and it eventually will come out. So I'm figuring out a fitting to go for the other side and possibly a fitting to go on this side so I can plug that side up. So I have ordered spark plugs for the engine. Just waiting on more parts to come in so I can get her done. If you want to see more videos, more content, please like, share, subscribe so we can get this channel going and get it all